Okay, so good day. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon how to convert a normal random variable to a standard normal variable. Okay, so alam natin na yung normal curve, no, is meron siyang mean at standard deviation, no. So kapag yung mean is not equal to 0, for example 80, tapos yung standard deviation niya sabihin natin is 2, so ito is normal curve. Kapag sinabi naman nating standard normal curve, okay, so yung mean niya is 0 at yung standard deviation niya is 1, no. So yun yung standard normal curve. Okay, so the formula in converting normal random variable to standard normal variable is, you have this formula, z is equals to raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation, no. Okay, so for example, suppose IQ scores are normally distributed with a mean of 100 and standard deviation of 10. If your IQ is 85, what is your Z score? Okay, so again, the formula is Z is equal to X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, so all we need to do is substitute the given values. So yung X na raw score, ito siya, 85, no? We have 85 minus yung mean natin, ito a mean of 100. So 100 siya divided by standard deviation of 10. So ito palitan natin ang 10. Okay, then we will simplify. So 85 minus 100 is negative 15 over 10. Negative 15 divided by 10 is negative 1.5. Okay, so this is our corresponding z-score if your IQ is 85. Okay, so another example. Okay, so example number 2, on a nationwide placement test that is normally distributed, the mean was 125 and standard deviation was 15. If you scored 149, what was your z-score? Okay, so again, the formula is z equals raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, so dito sa problem natin, ano yung raw score natin or yung X? Yung raw score natin is 149. Okay, minus, so minus tayo, mean. So yung mean natin dito, ang sabi, mean was 125. So 125 yung isusulat natin. And standard deviation of 15. So ito 15. Next, 149 minus 125 is ilan nga ba yung sagot dito? Yes, negative, positive 24. Okay, so positive 24 over 15. So 24 divided by 15 is equal to, okay, so 1, okay, 6, okay, so 1.60. Okay, so this is the corresponding z-score if you scored 149. Okay, so next example. Okay, so the heights of teachers in Santa Clara High School are normally distributed with a mean of 150 cm and standard deviation of 15 cm. The height of Sir Victor has a z-score of 3.25. What is the actual height of Sir Victor? Okay, kung iintindihin natin yung problem, no? Binigyan tayo ng z-score. At yung hinahanap natin is yung actual height of Sir Victor or yung raw score or yung x yung hinahanap natin. So sa ating formula na z equals x minus mean divided by standard deviation, if we're going to modify this, so para sa x yung hanapin natin, so standard deviation times z is equal to z times standard deviation, okay, equals x minus mean. And because we're looking for the x, so ililipat natin to dito sa kabila, magiging z standard deviation plus mean equals x. Okay, so ito yung formula na gagamitin natin, or baliktarin natin, x is equal to z score times standard deviation plus mean. Okay, so ito yung formula na gagamitin natin para mahanap natin yung raw score. Okay, so let's go back to our problem, no? So x equals z times standard deviation plus mean. Okay, so as you can see, sa x yung hinahanap, so si z, ano yung value ni z? Sabi dito, z score of 3.25. Okay, times standard deviation. Ano yung standard deviation? Sabi dito, standard deviation of 15 cm times 15 plus, okay, kasi may plus, so plus mean. Ano yung mean natin? Mean of 150 cm, so plus 150. Okay, so next we will simplify, you know. So 3.25 times 15 is 48.75. Okay, plus 150 is equal to 198.75. So ito yung actual height ni Sir Victor, no? Okay, so another example tayo. Okay, so the time it takes for a cell to divide is normally distributed with an average of 60 minutes and standard deviation of 5 minutes. So how long will it take for a given cell to divide if its mitosis has a z-score of negative 135? Okay, so madali lang to. Ulitin lang natin yung formula. X is equal z times standard deviation plus mean. Okay, so z natin, yung z natin sa problem ay ito, z score of negative 135. So negative 1.35 times standard deviation of 5. Standard deviation of 5, so 5 plus average of 60 minutes. So yung mean natin is 60. Simplify lang natin, negative 1.35 times 5 is we have negative 6.25. Okay, plus 60, no? So equal to, dahil unlike sign, so magsusubtract tayo, 60 minus 6.25 is 53.25 minutes. Okay, so ibig sabihin, it will take 53.25 minutes for a given cell to divide. Okay, so thank you for watching.